Guess what, everybody? It's Christmas time in an RV.
In an RV, a very small RV. Way up high for the cat, so she won't get it.
Oh yeah, you like our tree way up high? That's it.
Hi everyone, this is Ninette of Tigner Adventures, and this is David, and this is our little cat Tansy. And she doesn't like videotaping just as much as I do. So, Merry Christmas.
Remember, we live in our RV full time, so we are nomadics. And we are, well, not nomadics, but nomads. And we, this is Christmas time. So what do you do at Christmas time when you aren't by your family? We're just, actually, right now, we're celebrating Christmas down in Yuma. So this is Christmas in Yuma. It's a little different. It did rain all night last night. So we got about 12 hours of rain, which is the most rain we've seen down in Yuma since we've been coming to Yuma, actually. But it rained pretty steady. So in a lot of cases, that means probably a white Christmas for most people. For us, it's a little different. It's just rain, but we are away from our family. Most of our family is in Utah, and we have a daughter that lives in Georgia. And I'm sure that others of you probably run into the same situation. So what are things that you can do to make it better, you know, so it feels like you're actually there seeing them instead of always feeling like you're leaving your kids out and just off having fun by ourselves, right? So what are we doing?
Well, we do a FaceTime on Christmas, and we talk to them, and we play games, and my daughter Janelle, that's from Georgia, she has set up 12 days of Christmas, starting Christmas Day and doing something, a tradition every day for 12 days.
We do a video chat with our children every week. Every Sunday we do a video chat, and so we check in with everybody. Everyone gets online at the same time, so it's just kind of like being there. We used to always have like Sunday dinner and things like that. Christmas really isn't any different. You just have to figure out other means, you know, and we've all been going through this thing they call the pandemic, right? So nobody's been going to visit people. I just talked to an older lady that was going on a trip to see her daughter, and you know, just yesterday, and she says, I've canceled my trip because they're saying it's not safe to travel. So again, you know, she's remote and she doesn't know what to do because she hasn't seen them for a couple years now. And I told her, I says, you know, video chatting these days is really, really easy. And so this is something that you can do with your kids or your other family members to actually help you kind of incorporate the Christmas spirit and feel that love. Christmas is about family and friends. And so by doing the video chatting, we have a way to kind of link up with them and do things with them. And like she said, our daughter's doing the 12 days of Christmas. So each day after Christmas for 12 days, we're doing different activities together to kind of promote that family time. So anyway, what we wanted to do is say Merry Christmas to all, Happy Holidays. I'm not sure, you know, some of you celebrate the holidays differently than some, and that's all okay. In fact, it would be excellent if you would write in the comments, you know, how you guys celebrate the holidays. I know some people don't celebrate Christmas, they celebrate other types of things, and maybe it's at a different time of year. So if you could let us know that, that'd be great. You know, let our other viewers know, that'd be perfect, you know, because I think the whole idea, this is a worldwide thing that goes on with all the different cultures, and every culture has a different way of celebrating different events in their lives. And we just need to, you know, open ourselves up to, you know, how other people do things and not be so tied into just how we do things. And so anyway, this is nomadic type stuff, right? We're nomads, so we're trying to tell you how we do Christmas, but that's not how the traditional sticks and bricks people do Christmas anymore, right? They have a big old tree and their family all join them at the house and all that. Well, we don't do that anymore because we're nomads. So this is just a time to kind of look at things. Please let us know in the comments, you know, ways that we can learn and see how other cultures do things. So that'd be really cool. If we're going to go on with this video, Ninette did a video of the parade of lights that came through the resort here. And so she videotaped that, and also she had a lot more pictures of lights that were around the resort that we didn't put in last week.
I do like lights.
Yeah, she does. And she likes taking pictures more than anything. So we're going to include all those in the rest of this video. So please enjoy this time of year. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Enjoy the little light parade we've got coming after we're done here, and also the tree lights around the resort and everything. So happy holidays, everybody, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.